Deep in Quang Ninh Province, Vietnam, lies Mạo Khe, a land rich in history and resources. Once scarred by mining, the area is undergoing a transformation. Today, we visit a special house, a testament to this growth and a haven for an elderly couple seeking solace in nature. This house is more than just bricks and mortar, it's a sanctuary. Designed with the utmost care, it reflects the simple, peaceful life of the couple who call it home. Their weekends are filled with the joy of their children's visits, but their everyday life revolves around the beauty outside the garden, the fish pond, and the tranquil space they've created. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a masterpiece of simplicity. The layout revolves around a central courtyard, creating a peaceful haven shielded from the city's hustle and bustle. This introverted space fosters a deep connection between the couple themselves, with nature, and with their loved ones. Each room seamlessly blends with the surrounding greenery. Large windows and open spaces create a continuous flow, blurring the lines between inside and outside. From any vantage point, the residents can connect with nature, be it through the sight of trees swaying in the breeze, the calming sound of water trickling in the pond, or the gentle filtering of sunlight through the leaves. The beauty of this house lies not just in its design, but also in its materials. Locally sourced red bricks and bare concrete exude a sense of rawness and authenticity. These simple elements, when combined with the human touch of skilled construction workers, create a space that feels warm, inviting, and deeply connected to the earth. This house is a testament to the power of mindful design. Through simple methods and readily available materials, the architects have created a space that resonates with the human spirit. It's a place where nature reigns supreme, fostering connection and tranquility. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow on the red brick walls, the house transforms. It becomes a haven not just for the elderly couple, but for their entire family. The courtyard becomes a stage for shared stories, laughter, and the joy of togetherness. Mạo Khe is a city on the rise, embracing a future where growth and nature can coexist. This house stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to the simple joys of life and the power of connecting with the natural world around us.